Good morning, children. Welcome to our next session. English rhyme after a bath. Textbook pages 35 and 36. Here, this is a rhyme, children. After a bath. See the textbook. The heading is after a bath. What will be what we are feeling after a bath? We'll see, children. After my bath, I try to wipe myself dry. What is that? After my bath, I try. That means I'm trying to get dry. So it's after the bath, what is feeling? Cool and wet. Our body is wet and we are feeling that cool. So it's trying to wipe. Wipe means cleaning our body. Okay, wipe means cleaning our body to many times that for dryness, for dry. Once again, after my bath, I try to wipe myself dry. After the bath, myself only wipe many times for dry. The next, to wipe my hands and fingers and toes, my two wet legs and a shiny little nose. What happened? The organs. So what are these? To wipe my hands. Hands, the child wipe her hands, and fingers and toes. Fingers and toes on your feet. My two wet legs and a shiny little nose. Say, two legs, hands, fingers, toes, legs and a little nose. So trying to wipe. Wipe means clean with a towel many times. Then next, just think how little time I would take if I were a dog and could shake. Did you see any time after the bath a dog also bathing? No, after the bath, whenever we are seeing that wiping, children, no, it won't wipe. It's shaking its body, and this all water will come out from the dog's body. The child is thinking that if I have a dog or like a bath, what will be? I can shake. Once I shake my body, no need to wipe my body. Okay, that is this poem. Rhyme, children. After the bath, the child is thinking that after the bath, the child is wiping many times its body and parts of the body. Okay, for dryness. Okay, children, these are the rhyme. It's a simple rhyme. Then it has the exercises. See the next page, children. The next page. Rhyming words. Match the words. Match the words that rhyme. T-H-A-T, that. R-H-Y-M-E, rhyme. Then for each set, write, W-R-I-T, write another rhyming word. Another rhyming word. Page number 36, children. See the questions, sir. Here you are getting try, toss, then shake. The next side you are getting nose, take, T-A-K-E, take, dry. You are getting the dashes here. This is the questions part you are getting in the textbook. See the question, children. Match the words that rhyme. For each set, write another rhyming word. Rhyming words means, children, same accent. We are one or two letters difference but same pronunciation. Try. the first letter T R Y. Try. Here the rhyming words we are getting D R Y. Only one letter is difference. Try, try. Okay. Then T O E S, toes. Its rhyming word is nose. N O S E, nose. Toes, nose. Next, shake. S H A K E, shake. T A K E, take. The last letters, the last accent is same way. Shake, take. Once again, try, dry, toes, nose, shake, take. And we will write here, children. Try. What is the rhyming word we found here? Dry. D-R-Y, dry. The next, toes. T-O-E-S, toes. The rhyming word is nose. The next, shake. S-H-A-K-E, shake. The rhyming word is take. Send it. These are the rhyming word in this lesson we are finding. Okay, children. Then the next exercise is word power. Next exercise is word power. The question is write, W-R-I-T, write as, as many words, M-A-N-Y, many words, W-O-R-D-S, words, as you can, ending with, E-N-D-I-N-G, ending with. Here you are getting that A-K-E, ache, A-K-E, ache. See the question, children. Here dashes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 dashes are there. The question is write as many words you can ending with A-K-E, ache. Okay. Here you are getting an example, that is take. T, here A-K-E, one letter should be here, that is the dash, and A-K-E, last 3 letters. Take, T-A-K-E, take. The next, M-A-K-E, make, A-K-E, M-A-K-E, make. The next, bake, we bake the cake. Bake, B-A-K-E, bake. The next, lake, that is a water. Lake, L-A-K-E, lake. Then wake, W-A-K-E, wake. We are waking up in the morning. Wake. The next, cake, C-A-K-E, cake. These are the 2 exercises, children. Write as many words as you can ending with ache. Take, make, bake, lake, wake and cake. These are the 2 exercises, children. Children, next exercise, grammar in use. Here the question is choose, C-H-O-O-S-E, choose the correct word, W-O-R-D, word from the box, to fill in each blank. Here you are getting, first one is I wipe, dash. Second one is he wipes, dash. Third one is she wipes. Fourth one is you wipe. Fifth one is we wipe. Here you are getting the blanks and you are getting here some words. First one is herself, HERSELF, herself. Second one is myself. Third one is yourself, SELF, yourself. Fourth one is himself, and the last one is ourselves. Here I wipe dash, he wipes dash, she wipes dash, you wipe dash, and we wipe dash. Here you are getting some words should match and write the correct words from the bracket. Herself, myself, yourself, himself, ourselves. Here first one is I do. What will be there? Here myself, I wipe myself, I wipe myself. Then he wipes. He means the pronouns what will here? Himself. Boys we will use himself. The next she, that is a girl, we will use pronoun is her, so herself. Then you means yourself. Then we, more than one, so we, what will be there? Ourselves. Here we completed this. I wipe myself, he wipes himself, she wipes herself, you wipe yourself, and she wipe ourselves. These are the exercise from the After a Bath poem, children, page number 35 and 36. 3 exercises are there. You have to write these exercises in the test book, classwork and homework book also. Thank you, children.